Okay, we're going to be transforming polynomial functions. I hope that doesn't make you nervous. I think this actually makes a lot of sense because we've been transforming functions for a long time. You really need this table, and you just need to know where to go for the information. Vertical translation, remember if we move things vertical it's plus k, horizontal, the inside is a minus h. Vertical stretch, on the outside it's just an A. Horizontal stretch, on the inside it's a 1 over B. And reflection. Reflection across the x-axis, it's negative on the outside. Reflection across the y-axis, it's negative on the inside. But let's practice a few. It says write the rule for each function and sketch its graph. Sketch is not an accident there, we just need a sketch. So our new function is going to be f of x minus 2. We know what f of x is, so we write f of x minus 2. So this one's pretty simple. We do x cubed minus 8. Sorry, that's really bad. This right here tells me this is a minus k. So I have an x cubed minus 6 crosses right here. So a minus 8 would go down to. Okay, that would be your really rough sketch, if that makes sense. Let's try another one. Okay, now we have an internal one changing. So that means that it's a horizontal shift. So instead of x cubed, we're going to write x plus 3 quantity cubed. So this one's just a tad bit more complicated, but you guys are really good at multiplying polynomials now. So h of x is going to be x plus 3 quantity squared minus 6. Yes, we need to FOIL that, which we get x squared plus 6x plus 9. And I'm going to multiply that by x plus 3 because I need to multiply it 3 times. I get x cubed, 6x squared, 9x, 3x squared, 18x, 27. Start adding things together. X cubed, cross it off, 9x squared, 27x, plus 27 minus 6. We can't forget the minus 6. So our final answer, plus 27, x plus 21. Okay? And if we were to sketch that, we'd sketch the same thing, which crosses at the 6, but we're going to go over 3. Okay? In the wrong direction. Sorry, that's actually the right direction. H equals negative 3 because of how that h works, so we have to go that way 3 units and sketch it again. And again, it's just a sketch. You're just showing me that you understand how it's moving. Okay, you try this one. Pretty simple. It translated horizontally down 5. Okay, try this one. Alright, this is the same as the one that, the first one I did where we had to multiply the x plus 2 3 times and then add 4 to it at the end. And our translation is horizontal, left 2 units. Okay, reflecting polynomial functions. Let f of x equal that polynomial, write a function g that performs each transformation. Reflect across the x-axis. When we reflect across the x-axis, g of x equals negative f of x. So we do a negative f of x. It's actually quite simple if you think about it. We need to make the entire polynomial opposite signs. And notice we don't have to sketch this one. Okay, reflect across the y-axis. Our new function is the inside goes negative. So that means every x is a negative sign. So we have to cube or square those things. And a negative raised to an odd power stays negative. And a negative raised to an even power goes positive. So you just have to watch your negatives. And you have your answer. Okay, you try one. Okay, we multiplied everything by a negative across the x-axis. That means your function, the outside goes negative. And across the y-axis, your inside goes negative. So push pause and try it. So each x goes negative, which means you have to either cube it or square it or raise it to the first power, and you get your final answer. That's all we have for today.